Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to make my account private in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, you have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and make my account private in Bandlab. So to make your Bandlab account private, follow these 5 steps. First of all, launch the Bandlab on your computer or mobile device. After that, tap or click on your profile picture in the top right corner. So click on your top profile picture here. Then select settings from the drop down menu, which is almost the last option. After selecting settings, then click on privacy tab on the left side. So basically you have the privacy tab, which is here almost the last one also. Then toggle the private account switch on, then click on update. Once your account is set to private, only your followers will be able to view the content you post on Bandlab. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.